As an administrator or call queue manager, advanced call handling allows you to set up rules for the call queue's incoming calls based on the time of day, date range, or incoming caller ID or called number. Create as many rules as you want and turn them off as needed. To access the advanced call handling rules, log in as an administrator and select the call queue you'd like to customize. Under Call Handling, you'll see the link for Advanced. To add a rule, click Add Rule. Let's review what each of these rules can do. Select date and/or time when you want to forward calls or send messages based on time of day, days of week, or specific date range. Select caller ID when you want to create a rule based on calls coming from specific phone numbers. You can create a list of phone numbers for this setting. Select called number when you want to create a rule based on the phone number that your client dialed. For example, you might have a specific number being used for a marketing campaign. You can set a single rule or a combination of rules. Advanced call handling rules will override your regular call handling. Let's run through an example. Bob starts by labeling this rule as January 23rd Convention and selects date and/or time and called number. First, he selects when this rule should be active. He can select the whole week since this rule will only apply to a specific date range. Next, Bob selects the convention date, January 23rd. If Bob knows ahead of time that the sales department will be gone for any other days, he can add it here. Bob wants this rule to be active only during business hours since he's already set all after-hours calls to be sent to voicemail. Bob chooses the sales call queue line as the called number. In the condition summary, Bob can review his rule and make any additional changes. Lastly, Bob wants to select unconditional forwarding to always forward calls to the sales manager's mobile and bypass any of the preset call handling rules that may be on her extension. He enters her mobile number here. Bob's rule is now set and saved. If for any reason the Flora convention gets canceled, he can always return here and turn the rule off.